Doting dad. Scott Disick hit the beach in Miami, Florida, for some bonding time and fun in the sun with his children, Mason, Penelope, and Reign. The father of three, 38, was seen carrying Penelope, 9, and playing with Reign, 7, as they played by the ocean and frolicked in the sand on Tuesday, February 22. Scott kept comfortable in a black t-shirt and paisley print swim trunks as he sipped on coffee and watched his kids by the shore with assistant Lindsay Diamond. During their beach day, Penelope was seen sporting her bright red hair, which mom Kourtney Kardashian first showed off in August 2021. The Keeping Up with the Kardashians alum, 42, captioned her daughter's big debut pic with red emoji, writing, heart, fire, strawberry, watermelon, red apple, cherries, hot pepper, rose. Penelope recently colored her hair again, showcasing the same fiery hue in a TikTok video she shared in December 2021. These days, Scott and Kourtney co-parent their 3 kids following their nearly decade-long, on and off relationship, which came to an end in 2015. Kourtney has since moved on with Blink-182 rocker Travis Barker, with whom she went Instagram official in February 2021. The engaged couple were neighbors for several years before turning their platonic relationship into a romance. The Push founder and drummer, 46, have moved out of the friend zone and are dating, a source told Life and Style in January 2021, shortly before the couple went public about their newfound commitment. They've been secretly together for a couple of months and are really into each other. Travis popped the question to Kourtney at Rosewood Miramar Hotel in Montecito, California, in October 2021, and it's reported they are planning to wed in 2022. As for Scott's reaction to the new couple, another insider told In Touch exclusively in November 2021 that he would finally reveal his true feelings on the famous family's upcoming Hulu series. As Scott is receiving a huge paycheck, all the juicy details are being saved for the series, the insider said about what viewers can expect on the show. It's part of his contract to remain tight-lipped until around the time the episodes air. The Flip It Like Disick alum made it clear that he doesn't want cameras following his every move, according to the insider. However, fans can look forward to plenty of shocks and surprises. Scroll through the gallery to see photos from Scott's beach day with his kids.